What's up, everybody? Today we're diving into a total game changer for your content strategy. I'm going to show you how to create those viral, high-energy clips you see from the top creators, but doing it in a fraction of the time. We are going to use Vizard to automate the heavy lifting of turning long-form videos into scroll-stopping shorts and reels. This isn't about working harder, it's about using the right tools to get faster and smarter with your production. First up, you need a solid foundation with a clean, bold font to get that premium influencer aesthetic. I usually grab a bold typeface from a font repository to get that chunky, readable look that pops on mobile devices. Once you have your look, Vizard becomes your secret weapon by auto-detecting the best, most engaging moments in your footage. Forget spending hours chopping up webinar replays or long podcasts because the AI does all that tedious work for you. After the AI picks out the viral segments, it also handles the captioning automatically, which is an absolute lifesaver. Always remember to do a quick manual skim to fix any weird transcriptions, because even the best AI needs a human check. For the styling, I recommend a font size around 15 pixels for mobile readability. Place your text near the center and use bright colors like yellow or white to ensure it stands out. To get that professional outline look, set your stroke to full strength and leave the text background transparent. Adding a shadow with high opacity and a soft blur will really make those captions pop against any background. If you want that dynamic look where words change color as you speak, Vizard makes this incredibly simple. Instead of manual splitting, use the auto-segmentation tool to break your text into smaller, independent chunks. Just be careful to deselect the Apply to All setting so you can style each word individually without breaking the rest. Adding emojis is a tiny detail that makes a massive difference in viewer engagement. I like to use websites to grab clean emojis and swap them into the captions to emphasize specific words. Don't forget the audio, because sound effects like dings and whooshes keep the energy high. Always make sure your sound effects are lower than your main voiceover so they accentuate rather than overpower. You can easily drop these sound clips directly into the Vizard timeline right where your text animation happens. When it comes to visuals, adding a transparent PNG logo or image can really help brand your clips. Transitions are also key to keeping the flow, but avoid harsh cuts that interrupt the viewer experience. I personally love using subtle blurs or pulls for topic switches to make everything feel polished and intentional. While free tools like CapCut are great for beginners, they just don't scale well for high-volume content creation. Vizard hits that sweet spot by being an all-in-one solution for cutting, captioning, and scheduling your content. Think about the return on investment. Saving hours every week means you can focus on more creative projects. Before you export, take a moment to add a trending background track to help with platform distribution. Just make sure to balance the levels so the music supports your voice instead of burying it. One of my favorite features is the auto-scheduler that keeps your content calendar filled automatically. You can set your posting frequency, and the AI will take care of placing your clips at the best times for engagement. This saves you from the headache of manual posting and ensures you stay consistent across all your social channels. Let's look at a real example where I turned a 12-minute video into 10 high-quality social clips. It took me maybe 45 minutes total, which would have taken hours if I had done it the manual way. When you are finally ready to export, always save at the platform's native recommended format, usually vertical. Always remember to include a light, natural call to action in your description to drive more engagement. Stop doing things the hard way and start using automation to build your brand more efficiently. Try uploading one of your long videos into Vizard today and see how much faster you get from idea to published post. If you have any questions about the workflow or need a walkthrough on the scheduling, drop a comment below. I am here to help you get those clips out and start scaling your content creation game today. Thanks for tuning in. Go create something awesome, and I will see you in the next video.